Over 90,000 yellow rubber ducks splashed into the Chicago River in a nail-biting race to the finish line to help raise money for the Special Olympics on Thursday. Thousands of spectators lined up along the Chicago Riverwalk downtown to get a glimpse at the once-a-year spectacle.
I need my car.
I never saw that many rubber ducks before, said Moe Farraj, a 9-year-old from Newzee visiting Chicago with his family.
I never saw that many rubber ducks before.
Be pretty cool, right?
I came for vacation and I'm just excited to be here.
Many people also adopted rubber duckies, not only in hope of winning a big prize like a new car or a lifetime tickets to an amusement park, but also to donate to a great cause. I hope I win because I really want a car, said 9-year-old Moe, who nicknamed his adopted duck SpongeBob.
Oh yeah, I hope I win because I really want a car. Donkey!
We adopted 6 ducks over here, and I've lived in Chicago all my life, and I've never seen the Ducky Derby live, so I thought it'd be really cool to come out here and just have a good time and see the ducks for the first time.
Ducky!
According to the organizers, this year's event raised a record $428,561 to help support nearly 30,000 Special Olympics athletes.